Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 4 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 2 articles. Okay, if you have not watched the first chapter, then you can go to the playlist sections. Okay, so here read the story, then how you have to just find out how the a and the have been used here. So here read the passage, say why a and the have been used. One has been done for you. So you know a baby saw a bird. The bird was sitting on a fence. The fence was painted brown. The baby waved at the bird and giggled. It is showed an apple to the bird. The bird came to the baby to eat the apple. So you know here the first a baby. You know when you talk about first time a particular things, so you use indefinite article a. So here baby used for the first time. That's why we use a indefinite article here. The next a bird. So similarly, a baby saw a bird. Okay, saw a bird. This is also mentioned for the first time. That's why a bird is used. Then next the bird was sitting on a fence. So this is also talking about the first time. That's why indefinite article a is used. We are talking about the first time about the fence. An apple. So here, yes, here it is showed an apple. So here apple is used mentioned for the first time. That's why indefinite article an is used. Then the baby. You know in the first sentence a baby is already used. The baby. So here the baby. Okay, the baby. So the is used. Why? Now the baby is already mentioned before the sentence here. Okay. Then next the bird. Similarly here a bird is already mentioned. So we are talking about again the same bird. Okay. So the bird is used because the bird is already mentioned. Okay, in the sentence before. Then next the fence. Okay, the fence. You know here already here a fence. So here we are talking about again. Okay. So the already mentioned. So here the fence will be used. Okay, the is used. Why? The fence is already mentioned before. Then next the apple. So here the apple. Here the apple. Because an apple is already mentioned, we are talking about again. So the is used. Okay, because apple is already mentioned before. Then next put a tick or a cross to show which article is used is correct and which is not. Correct the wrong ones. Okay, so can you storm the guitar? You know before the musical instrument we use definite article the. So here the will be used. The storm affected our village most. You know before superlative degree we use definite article the most. The most. Okay. Then next, my mother prefers reading Hindu. You know before famous newspaper we use definite article the. So here my mother prefers reading the Hindu, not the Hindustan Time. The next people in United States came from the different. You know before the United we use the people in the United States. Okay. The next piano produces the sweet music. So here you know before adjective we don't use the definite article the piano. You know this is a musical instrument. The piano produces sweet music. Sinhas are very healthy people. When we are talking about a particular group of the people, we use the definite article the. The Sinhas are very healthy, health conscious. The next, the Chinese build great. You know, before the famous monument building, we use the. So here the Chinese build the Great Wall of China. Okay, the Great Wall of China. Then next we visited Van Gogh Museum. So you know before the particular museum or any building we also use the. So here the will be used. Okay. So here the before not the place like the India, this will be wrong. The Bhubaneswar, that will be wrong. The Mumbai, that will be wrong. So here the will be wrong. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. This is the correct. Okay. Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. So here this is the article used here correctly. The next, Raj received the best singer award at the okay. Raj received the best singer at the annual function. The annual function. Then next, choose a or an or the or cross to complete the sentence below. So here the garden looks beautiful as the flowers have bloomed in the plants. It is one of the best gardens in the city. Okay, the best garden. Here superlative degree is used. We are talking about a particular city. That's why definite article the is used. I am an allergic to the smoke. Allergic, you know, vowelic sound here pronounced here. That's why an will be used and to the smoke. The plants. Okay, I saw an owl. That's my favorite time of the day. Okay. The next, Arnav got bitten by an ant. Then next, the Atlantic Ocean is close to the West Indies. Then next, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is one type of proverb. Okay. So here next, use a, an or the, or use have to use cross in the blanks to complete the passage. I have an old friend. So one day he said, when you meet a man on the road, don't greet him with words or with silence. Tell me, how would you greet him? What is the answer to this question? With a smile, of course. Many boys and girls were taking karate lessons. A boy was not able to concentrate because of the other students. He could not get moves right. A teacher saw this. He took the boy to a quiet place where there was a stream. There are stones in the stream. The teacher said, how the stream flows over and around the stones. It doesn't mind them. The boy got an amazing lesson. Okay, an amazing lesson on how to concentrate. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.